other group of 8 candidates through an obstacle course which will have 6 similar obstacles. Once started, your group need to stick to its own channel, and your endeavor should be that your group should reach the finish line first. Whichever group reaches the finish line first will be declared as the winner. And in this case also, you will be carrying a load with you. And the load is nothing but a rolled up tent. A tent which is rolled up and stitched into a jute bag. So it looks like a snake. Because the load looks like a snake, that is why this race is also called as snake race. So before the task commences, your GTO will brief you, and other group's GTO will brief their group respectively. And thereafter, all the GTOs will bring the group to group obstacle course, where you will be made to stand in front of the channel which is earmarked for you.